Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm just going to do a little bit of cleaning up. I'm going to get this huge pile of ceiling wood. It's an old tongue and groove ceiling boards. I'm going to get those out in the back of the pickup truck, sweep up, bag up this trash I've got swept up, and get it all dumped out in the woods. So I was just going to do a little bit of filming of that. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your comments in the comment section. And go check out some of the other content once the video's done, and kind of get caught up on everything that we're doing out here. And feel free to put any comments about what you're thinking, things you would do, different design ideas, structural ideas, all kind of stuff in the comments. Enjoy the clip. Alright everybody, that's about going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching me get that huge, ridiculous mess cleaned up. So I'm going to wrap it there today. But if you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section. And then go check out some of the other content. And also too, check out our channel page. I've got links to all of my other social platforms. Trying to get to 100 followers on Facebook, so I can start doing some lives over on that platform. And then Instagram's pretty slow moving, but it's I post there as well. If we can get to 100 followers on there, I'll be able to start doing lives on that platform as well. So, but appreciate everybody watching, following along, and without further ado, Bigfoot out.